President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, says the exhaustion of one of its credit cards forced challenges with payment for the Reggae Girlz contingent equipment at a Houston airport in the USA en route from the CONCACAF Women's Championship in Monterrey, Mexico. Jerome Foster tells us more as the local contingent returned home.
The Reggae Girlz arrived on the island in less than ideal circumstances on Tuesday evening after lack of funds resulted in luggage and equipment clearance issues in Houston, Texas. Not only that, but the handful of girls returned with a chip on their shoulders, citing that they were disrespected by the local media ahead of the CONCACAF Championships while the Vin Blaine coaching saga unraveled. An extended wait after their successful sojourn might not be the best thing for the players, who ranted on social media with posts that went viral. However, JFF President Michael Ricketts sought to clear the air for what can be deemed as another foul-up.
Would have used a credit card to pay for a number of pieces, and you'd have seen how many pieces we, as this small group, would have brought back. So there were 10 persons, I think, coming back in excess of 30 pieces. So it presented a challenge. What happened is that the card was exhausted in terms of how much money we could have spent. And we did not realize. So the head of delegation actually gave that group going to Houston the card. When they went, of course, it would have overspent. Hence, it declined.
Back-to-back qualification, but the contract of the entire coaching staff that guided the team in Mexico has expired. But Ricketts thinks the decision should be a no-brainer.
Definitely we'll sit and look at, I think we just need to reassign the coaches and to reorganize the contract and to have the respective parties attach their signatures.
Does that mean Lon will be the coach going forward?
I have no reason to think otherwise.
The girls will be heading to Oceania next year for the World Cup, as well as a chance of Olympic qualification in Paris, and that is a big deal for the under-pressure Ricketts.
This indeed was a historic achievement, and the JFF, the Marley Foundation, the Reggae Girlz Foundation would have put their thoughts and their ideas together, and the end result is what it is, a most historic event.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.